So under pressure, soon to be fired, National Under 23 football coach Donovan Duki bust open the release valve, spilling his guts of excuses and excuses about the fitness of the team. Listen, Duki.
Brother, you know, so I can't take it no more. I want to talk the whole truth, make Jamaica hear. For when I took the job, there were certain conditionality that was expected. The JFF to provide a physical trainer. For over 8 months, a physical trainer has only come to our training session for 3 days. I can say this is the worst physically prepared team I've ever seen in my entire life. For over the 22 years that I've coached, this is the worst conditioned team I've ever seen. We cannot play competitively for more than, say, 60 minutes in any game. Hence, these are the results.
Coach Duki, this is your team, brother. You are responsible for the preparation of this team, including the physical fitness of the players. If the JFF don't give you a physical trainer, go get one. JOA will pay. I wonder if Duki realized what I'm doing. Saying that a team that he, Duki, is in charge of, he says for 8 months, a team that was fully funded. And as the head coach of that team, Duki is saying, quote, this is the worst physically prepared team I have ever seen in my entire life, end quote. Duki, you commit verbal suicide.